Hello guys, welcome to Igbo History TV. It's a very sad news today in Nigeria. They lost their Army Chief of Staff. The Army Chief of Staff of Nigeria, Ibrahim Attahiru, he died yesterday night at 6:45 p.m. and plane crash. The plane crash more than 11 people or 21 people died in the plane crash, including his wife. His wife died in the plane crash. It is quite lugubrious. Yes. After he declared war on the secessionist groups like Biafra, Oduduwa, and Middle Belt Republic. Just not too long, he made the statement. He is now dead. This sounds as a warning to other people talking ill of Biafra and Nnamdi Kanu. Well, wish the dead safe journey. May his soul find rest in the great beyond. Attahiru was appointed as the Chief of Staff of Nigeria on January 2021. That is this year. He was appointed as the Army Chief of Staff of Nigeria. Quite unfortunate that the
Ibrahim
airplane
was born
has
on
been
10th August 1960
having problems. But this is the country you are. They failed to repair the airplane. Now, see what it has caused.
Armed
It
Forces
has caused them
Staff College
their Army Chief of
and
Staff.
Nigerian Army School of
So
Infantry.
rest on.
He commenced cadets training in January 1984 and was commissioned to the rank of second lieutenant in December 1986. As an infantry officer, he held a master's degree in strategic management and policy studies from the Nigerian Defense Academy. Others include Masters of Science in Human Resources Management and Development from Salford University in the United Kingdom and Graduate Diploma in International Studies from the University of Nairobi, Kenya. General Attahiru has held several appointments on the staff, instructional, and in command during his military career. He had a tour of duty with the United Nations in Sierra Leone as a military observer, where he facilitated United Kingdom military engagement operation Barras in September 2000. He was an operation officer and later company commander in NEBAT 19 ECOMOG operations in Liberia. Also, he had the unique privilege of having commanded with distinction all through the chain of command in the Nigerian Army. Prominent among these appointments are Commanding Officer 146 Battalion, Nigerian Army Operation Harmony 4 in the Bakassi Peninsula. Commander 13th Brigade Nigerian Army Operation Pulo Shield. General Officer Commanding A2 Division Nigerian Army. He was one-time Theater Commander Operation Lafia Dole, the counter-terrorism and counter-insurgency outfit in northeastern Nigeria. It is on record that he brought relative stability in the region with the surrender of several Boko Haram combatants. As a staff officer, he was Unit Adjutant, 7 Battalion Nigerian Army, SETI, Chief of Staff, 1 Brigade Nigerian Army, Sokoto, General Staff Officer Grade 1 Training Operations, as well as staff duties, plans at Headquarters 1, 2, and 81 Division of the Nigerian Army. He was Deputy Director, Military Secretary 2 at the Air Headquarters MOSA and one-time Director, Army Public Relations and the spokesperson of the Nigerian Army. He was later Director of Staff Duties and Deputy Chief of Policy and Plans at the Army Headquarters. Spokesperson of the Nigerian Army, he was later Director of Staff Duties and Deputy Chief of Policy and Plans at the Army Headquarters. He was equally privileged to serve as Chief of Defense Transformation and Innovation and Chief of Defense Logistics at the Apex Organ of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, Defense Headquarters, Abuja. In that position, he worked with the operational readiness in the Armed Forces of Nigeria. In that readiness, he worked with the U.S. Defense Logistics Agency on the Vertical Integrated Logistics Approach VILA program towards enhancing the operational readiness in the armed forces of Nigeria. On instruction, he was an instructor at the Depot Nigerian Army, Nigerian Defense Academy, and the Nigerian Army School of Infantry. He was later a directing staff and chief instructor at the Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Jaji, Kaduna. On the evening of May 21, 2021, Attahiru was traveling on a Nigerian Air Force Beechcraft King A350 on an official visit to the northern state of Kaduna, which has he wanted to attend the passing out parade of Bori in Depot Nigerian Army on May 22, 2021. During the route, the plane crashed, killing Attahiru and all the other people on the plane. Attahiru Ibrahim died alongside 10 others, including the crew, his wife. Videos from the crash site were posted on multiple online platforms.